taller than me. So, good afternoon, everybody. Please. Hello, I'm talking. Please keep quiet. I'm a teacher. I don't talk when people are talking. Please keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Yes, keep quiet. Yeah, this is, yes, my name is Wenwa Akinyi, or no, it's not Akinyi Wenwa. Wenwa Akinyi. Of all the girls in the family, I'm not the eldest, but I'm the first of the girls.
Excuse those behind there, can you please keep quiet? Please. This is a very solemn tribute to Jaramogi. Can we please have silence so that we listen to the speakers? Please.
So my name is Wenwa Akinyi, not Akinyi Wenwa. Please, it's not the other way around. And before I talk, I want to introduce my sisters. I know they had already gotten up, but I'm supposed to represent the Jaramogi's daughter. So please stand up wherever you are. I want to also correct, there are people who have been wondering why, when you, oh my God, please keep quiet. Mr. Gina, I can see you. Yeah, please keep quiet, everybody, so that we don't take much time. So a lot of people have been wondering why when you see pictures of Jaramogi's family or earlier life, that it's only us, yeah, my mother's children. It is not because of any discrimination. I want to tell you that a lot of people believe that Jaramogi was polygamous, but he was not really polygamous as such. My first stepmother was married after Oburu was already married. And in fact, my Oburu's son is older than our eldest step or half-sister, who is also called Akinyi Walkowa. So let me introduce. So this is Akinyi Walkowa is the eldest, and by the time she was born, I was actually in Form 3. And Oburu was already married and already had a son. So you can see, and it was my mother's cousin. It's my mother who forced my father to get married again because people were laughing at her, saying she's a very jealous woman who cannot entertain or accommodate a co-wife. And so she brought her cousin and forced my father to marry her. Then, Akinyi Walkowa, that is true. That's true. So then my second stepmother, you've seen Susan. So the daughter is Anyango, Emily Anyango Dumpoda, and she's an MC in Kisumu County. There is Pauline Oginga, or Kanyabondo. She's a chief officer of health in Mombasa. And now Nyakamami, my mother's last born, who is also the women rep of Kisumu County. So before I say anything, I'd like her to say something on behalf of the others.
I'm a bit shorter.